Here's a quick refresher on how to draw a horizon line behind the object. The first thing you're going to do is draw the object. Say I want to add a box or a house, some kind of building back here behind the tree. I'm going to draw in the object first. I added 3 vertical lines. One of the vertical lines is a little smaller than the other. When I connect it, it kind of looks like it's getting smaller in the distance. And then I'm going to draw in this horizontal line here. This is the horizon line. And I'm picking up my pencil and putting it back down on the other side of the building, which makes it look like it's sitting on the ground. And thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, keep being creative.